There's a fish in here. Oh, big fish. Oh, there's plenty of them, honey. Wow, there's plenty. Plenty of fish. Oh my God, is that a fish or a baby shark? I don't know. Oh my goodness. No wonder they're just hiding. That's a lot of them. Wow. Good size of a fish. What is that? Catfish. Wow. So many of them. They're just hiding around the rock in there. Wow. That's nice. Oh my goodness. Let me just get you.